This video will teach you how to cut and install our aluminum channel. To get started, you'll need the following items: a metal rated saw, pencil, screws, self-tapping screws for metal or cement screws, a drill, large Phillips screwdriver, a level, tape measure, Scotch tape or painter's tape, a metal file. Determine the length of the channel by measuring the location it will be installed in. If installing according to ribbon length, you should add 1 inch to the ribbon length to determine the length of your channel to account for the lead's heat shrink. Length of the ribbon can be found in the configuration guide. For an easy cut, tape around the channel with lens in place and mark on the tape where you plan to cut. For the Surface 1707 and 1919, you will cut the channel and lens separately. You still add 1 inch to the length of the ribbon for the channel length, but the lens will be cut shorter due to the end caps. Subtract 0.24 inches from the ribbon length and mark and cut the lens separately. Once you've cut everything, file down any rough edges with a metal file. Pre-drill the mounting holes. Use self-tapping screws if installing into metal or cement screws if installing into cement. Plan to install at least 4 screws for every 2 meters of channel. Install the channel directly onto the surface. Use your level to make sure the channel is installed straight. Once the channel is in place, install your ribbon, attach your end caps, and then snap the lens into place.